said George and Paul, they are back after 9 o'clock this morning, having enjoyed their sabbatical from last weekend. They are back and raring to go. Mandy, thank you very much for your email. She says, Stuart, I got one of those chargers, the ones we've been talking about, a number of calls in relation to this, these USB chargers from eBay. My daughter flicked it off. It went off with a pop, blue flash and smoke. I'm so grateful she wasn't holding it at the time. This is just frightening to imagine. You buy these things from eBay or from Paddy's Markets or somewhere else, you turn them on, this went off with a pop, there was some blue flash and then suddenly smoke. Says, love your show and very excited to hear more of you. Cheers, Mandy. Yes, thank you very much. As of Monday, I'll be on between 9 and midday, Monday to Friday, so looking forward to that as well. I look forward to your company, Mandy. Thank you very much. And of course, we'd love you to join me as well. 23 to 9 at Marsh says, Stuart, my husband is an electrician. His view is that thousands of older properties do not have safety switches. It does mean, as your email suggested, occupants are at risk of electric shock or electrocution using dodgy or faulty products. So, very good point. Again, Marsha, thank you very much.
Insurance for the over 50s.
Yeah, so let's wrap it up for you from last night. Jersey Janowicz, that match against Leighton Hewitt. You've got to wonder with Leighton, at the age of 33, the 2002 Wimbledon champion, is this the last year we've seen him at Wimbledon? I thought it was a shame that he scheduled the court for centre court, because I think as a former champion, let's face it, I think there's 5 former champions in the draw, and he's the oldest of them. It would have been nice to see him play his match that may well have been his last match on centre court, but it wasn't to be. It was on court too. Rain level up 2 sets. Oldham was beaten 6-3 in the deciding set by Jersey Janowicz, the Polish player. Grigor Dimitrov, the Bulgarian young rising player. He's the boyfriend of Maria Sharapova. He's beaten Alexander Dolgonopolov 6-7, 6-4, 2-6, 6-4 and 6-1. Novak Djokovic had a problem with his shoulder, but he was a straight sets winner over Gilles Simon. Joe Wilfred Songa's won through. And in the women's draw, Petra Kvitova, she's beaten Venus Williams, both former champions, in 3 sets. So what is a bit of a check? She's through to the round of 16. So is Agnieszka Radwanska, the Polish girl. Lucy Safarova, she beat Dominika Sivakova. Katerina Makarova won, and also Caroline Wozniacki, an easy winner over a Croatian qualifier 6-3, 6-1. And of course, the big one tonight, Nick Kyrgios, who's up in action at Wimbledon. The 19-year-old Australian through to the 3rd round. He'll play Yuri Vasily. That'll be terrific later on tonight. Hopefully, Kyrgios can do it, get through to the 4th round, where most likely waiting for him will be one Rafael Nadal.
Explains why you can't go past Farmer's Grass.
There's a lot of yeehaws out there. Yeehaws, idiot. Oh, you mean Kay? And these yeehaws are bad.
Race.com. We speak over 15 languages, do home visits and have free parking. Call PK Simpson 9424 or web chat any hour.
Homer doesn't work here, but PK does. The Winning Appliances Spectacular End of Financial. Visit a Winning Appliances store near you. winningappliances.com.au. Commissions apply. In their best ever offering just in time for the end of the financial year, the Sydney Morning Herald is offering 50% off new subscriptions for the first 6 months. Enjoy unlimited access to independent journalism, breaking news, the best sport and lifestyle coverage for half price. Available on your tablet, mobile, laptop, and home delivery. Get 50% off for 6 months. Offer ends July 13th. The Sydney Morning Herald, independent, always. Subscribe at smh.com.au/half. Offer available with selected subscriptions. Breakfast with Stuart on your Sydney, your station.
It's 18 to 9. I know a lot of people in and around the Badgerys Creek area with players for this second major round. Give us about property values. I often discuss primarily with schools. We look at many other suburbs of Sydney. We see the share of aircraft noise. We've just seen recent times the prices just keep escalating. And now an interesting piece in the City Morning Herald today, where they say for 2 decades some of these suburbs have been pariahs at the centre of the aircraft noise debate. But now property values in Sydenham, St Peters and Tempe have soared since the introduction of the 3rd runway at Mascot in the mid-1990s. Those suburbs outpacing growth in the rest of the city, meaning the suburbs have poised to turn their owners into property millionaires. It is just amazing. So this idea that somehow property value. It's a joke. I've seen auctions in places like Nike where they've actually had to hold the auction because of the plane noise going over. And before you know it, we're 200 grand north of the reserve. So some of the concerns that people have around all of this, ultimately there is only so much land. People can only move into so many places. And so when you consider the infrastructure that is naturally going to follow an airport like Badgerys Creek, if I were you, I wouldn't be too worried about property values. There's only one way they'll go, and it's the same way the planes are going initially.
Up to the minute, do your Sydney weather. Thanks to Seasol. For the best gun in the street, don't forget the Seasol.
Yeah, well, let's just have a look at it. I got an email earlier on. It wasn't too windy in Parramatta, but certainly around where we are on the lower North Shore at the moment, it is. They're saying mostly sunny, windy, and a top of 21 degrees. So that wind is going to make it feel a lot colder anyway. Top of 20 degrees, and again, strongish winds, but much cooler tomorrow. Tops of about 17 degrees. So similar winds to what we endured on Tuesday. It will make it feel as if it's probably a little bit colder, but just be aware if you've got loose material around the house, you would think after Tuesday and Wednesday that you did. It's no longer around your house, it's around somebody else's house, but just keep in mind washing and various other things. It is set to be another very windy day. Chris, good morning.
Yes, good morning. I decided to have a look at my power board on my bed, and including the radio that I was listening to on, I have 6 devices plugged in. None of them have 3-pin plugs. Now, I went out to the meter box, and I don't have an electrical safety switch. And I think what the call 80 was the breakdown between each of these little charges, the induction coil, and 240 volt AC goes in.
It's just a heap of these things out there, and it's the old story, you only get what you pay for. In some of these cases, you can pay for what you like.